It's a 2016 Honda Accord. Luxury evolves inside the refined cabin of this plush Accord. The interior style updates are apparent, but you'll really be impressed with how this savvy vehicle keeps you comfortable with dual-zone climate control, while also keeping you connected and entertained with Bluetooth and USB audio interface. With this vehicle, you also get efficiency with the Eco Assist system, as well as a plethora of safety features, including vehicle stability assist with traction control, hill start assist, and a multi-angle rear-view camera with dynamic guidelines.
Select the perfect temperature with climate control. See objects previously out of sight with a rear-view camera. The sunroof gives you fresh air for your drive.
Surprising luxury and sensibility for every day. Take this Accord for a test drive.
We do it all at Clausen Honda. Come see us today at 6346 North Blackstone Avenue in Fresno.